How to fix TikTok not opening problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, in your home screen, tap hold on the TikTok application. You will see the option for clear cache. Tap on that and now go ahead and tap on the clear option and clear the cache of the application. Once done, launch the settings application and find the TikTok option there and tap on that. Now make sure the permissions for all these options are toggled on. Next, open App Store and search for TikTok there. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, tap hold on the TikTok application on your home screen again and then tap on Remove App. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Delete App and then on Delete again. Once deleted, open App Store and reinstall TikTok. Next, launch the settings application on your device and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.